Totaljobs online job platform review, usage experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Totaljobs, one of the leading job platforms in the UK. Links to the platform will be in the description below for easy access. Totaljobs is a go-to resource for job seekers across a variety of industries. Whether you're searching for positions in engineering, finance, marketing, or even healthcare, the platform offers a wide range of opportunities. Totaljobs has been around for over 2 decades and has built a reputation as a trusted platform for connecting candidates with employers. One of the main features of Totaljobs is its advanced job search functionality. You can filter by keywords, job titles, salary ranges, and locations to find jobs that match your criteria. It also allows you to search for full-time, part-time, and temporary roles, providing a lot of flexibility for job seekers. What's really great about Totaljobs is its user-friendly interface. The website is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, which makes it simple to browse through job listings and apply. It also has a CV upload feature, so you can upload your resume and apply for jobs quickly with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need to repeatedly fill out forms, saving you time during your job search. Another notable feature is Totaljobs job alerts, which notify you whenever a job that fits your search criteria is posted. This is an excellent way to stay on top of new opportunities without constantly refreshing the site. For employers, Totaljobs offers a straightforward process for posting job ads and managing candidate applications. They offer a range of subscription plans, which cater to different business needs, from small companies to larger enterprises. While Totaljobs is an excellent platform for those seeking traditional roles, it doesn't have as many remote job postings compared to platforms like Remote OK or We Work Remotely. However, if you're looking for jobs that require a physical presence in the UK, this is a solid platform to explore. In summary, Totaljobs is a reliable job search platform with a wide range of job listings, great search features, and a user-friendly design. If you're in the UK and looking for your next career opportunity, it's definitely worth checking out. As always, the links to the platform are in the description below. Thanks for watching.